everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Or if you guys are new over here, then welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. If you are struggling in English, don't worry, I'm also struggling in English. We will work together in English, we will learn together in English. Then our English upgrade from 0 in advanced levels. Don't worry, please watch this video till the end. I will share my experience, my tips, how I am improving in my English speaking journey. I am so obsessed with my English speaking journey because I want to improve my English with clarity and without stuck, without any hesitate. I had always stuck whenever I have to time to talk in everything, whenever I have to attend job. So I missed all of them because I have no idea how to talk in English. I am also I'm also poor in English. That is why I am here to improve my English with clarity, and I want to share my experience, my tips with you guys, and you can also learn from with me, and we can learn together. Why English speaking journey is a very important in our life? Because today globally changing world, English is everywhere. English is a very cursical or versatile role in each and every corner in the world. So that is why English is very important. If we have no idea how to talk in English, we failed many job, many opportunity, many we cannot even share our talent. We cannot even share our what we cannot share our everything, right? So that is why English is a very important, and we can also learn together. That is why this video is really helpful for you. So and every I always thought, why I am not speaking in English? Because I never give time, that time, right? So that is why we should give time to our whatever you want in your life. We should give our time. We should learn everywhere with a real life experience. You can also learn with listening. Is a very powerful method to gain everything, right? Even English is just such a very important. That is why listening is a very important. We can listen from others. So and another is speaking, and another is writing. So if we write in our note copy, there is a high chance to our mind catch up. That is why I try to write in copy, and I try to describe a simple word with a simple word, right? And that is why we should try to simple word, not what not big vocabs, right? Not uh, advanced vocabs. So we should try a simple vocab, simple word. That is why I'm trying to speak in English with simple vocabs. That is why you can also watch our here. You can see or not. So you can see. So first is small, second is quiet, third is friendly, fourth is strong, fifth is careful, sixth is ready, seventh is learn, right? So that is a simple word. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7 words. And Ismail, you can also try simple word. That first is Ismail, and you can try to speak. You can try to speak in English, right? First of all, if you forget everything, it's okay. You should write first of all and speak. Ismail, what? She is a very small lady, right? Nobody is here. You can also try. Here is the blank. Blank. So you can try to speak in English. Forget about your mistake, forget about your pronunciation, forget about your clarity, forget about your coherence, etc. So we should thinking in English. If you're not thinking, it's okay. You can try to speak in English, right? So small. She is a very small lady, and the house is a very small. The house is a very small. Um, I am a small girl. She's a small boy. Sorry, he's a small boy. They are small, right? There is a small building, right? And another is what? Mm, when I was small in when I was small, I was happy in my family, but right now I am far away from my family because of for my further study. Can also try to speak in English, right? So quite. Why right now? Why are you quiet? Right? She's a very quiet person. He's a very quiet person. He's a very quiet white. Why? And quiet. When sorry, quiet is a very important. If we quiet every time, we can learn what they are saying. We should listen quietly, right? It's okay, you can speak in English. That is why I always say to you, learn this way, right? And third is friendly. She is a very friendly nature, right? And I am a very friendly with you. That is why I am recording this video, right? Because of your support. Without your support, I'm not achieve outstanding result. That is why, right? And friendly. My neighbor, it's so much friendly with me. My neighbor is friendly. Friendly person is a very important in our life. Friendly persons help us how to study, how to learn everything, right? That is why friendly is very important. Friendly nature, friendly person is a very important. If they are not friendly, there is no interactions between us, between them. Yeah, and careful. Please careful, right? You can careful in your homework. Whatever. Try to speak. And careful. I am so careful in my own study. Careful. Careful person is a very smart. Smart person has always careful mind. And second last one is ready. I am ready to recording my video, English journey video. Ready. I'm ready to work, right? Whatever. I am ready to what? I am ready to uh what? I am ready to take. I am ready to take meditations, right? She is ready to take her homework. And last one is learn. I want to learn in English. I want to learn in English. She want to learn. That is why I always saying you English is a very important. Sorry, you can also try speaking English this way, learn this way. English is a very important. Please be careful. If we have no idea how, if we have no idea how to talk in English, there is a low chance to get opportunity. That is why I am. Thank you so much for watching this video. Um, Someone calling me to go to market. That is why. Bye bye. See you soon. See you next video. Love you. Lots of love.